Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm trying to clear up, and one of the jobs I can do is go through all my old batteries. I'm sure, like me, you've got a lot of people who bring you broken things, electronic stuff. Number one, because I'm closer than the tip. But number two, they know I can do stuff about it. But I get tons of these. I've probably got, I don't know, 20 or 30 of these. And I'd like to look in them. They've got most of them will be NiCad batteries, but I'd like to see what state the batteries are in. If they're salvageable, they probably aren't. But it's my way of condensing down my piles of rubbish. So I'll get them all out on the table and we can have a look at how much I've got. Okay, so that's all the ones I could find very, very quickly. Obviously, these aren't drill batteries. Some of them are. I've got no idea what that's for. Absolutely no idea. But we'll have a look inside it. Let's just start unscrewing them and see what's in them. Some of them obviously say NiCad on them, and I know that that's going to be a NiCad battery, nickel cadmium, but some of them don't have anything on, so it's sort of a guess. So I'm just going to open them up and have a look. The first one I'm going to open up is this one, just so I've got no idea what it is or what it's for. It is NiCad as well. I've got a wooden spoon, because I didn't want to shove any metal in there. It's ultrasonically welded, I think. I was hoping it was just press fit on. If that's the case, I might leave it. Okay, that one's a bust. I'm not going to try and break that open. Not inside especially. Okay, let's have a look at these ones. These are B&Q, a British place. Well, I assume it's British. And there's a big pebble stuck in this one. There you go. Right, I'll unscrew both of these and then I will, I'll be back. Quite a nice little contained lump of tech there. Well, that's still actually got charge. I wonder if it's worth keeping. Now these say, oh, these are lithium, so these are 18650s. I thought this was, that's pretty handy, so there we go. There's 5 18650s and they seem charged still, so I'll keep that. I won't keep the casing, I don't think. I might do. Let's have a little look at this one then. Okay, that's much lower, that's 6 volts, the other one's 11.5. But I'm going to see about charging them, I might as well. No point throwing them away if we can use them. Okay, so that was a nice little find. I thought that they were all NiCad, but apparently not. These definitely are. But let's, I'll open all 4 of these and then I'll be back. Right, I've changed my mind because I'd like to just have a look to see if there's anything usable in this. If not, I'm not going to bother opening the other ones. It's actually hurting my hands quite a bit to open, so I'll just leave them closed. If there's stuff I can salvage, then we'll carry on opening them. Because unscrewing these, I might not even be able to get it open. Okay, I'm not even going to fight it, that's fine. Things like that, I don't know what... I've got no use for NiCad batteries, you know, 18650s obviously all day long given to me. but something like that I've got no use for, so I'm not too bothered finding out inside. This is NiCad as well, but this is more, for me this is a little bit more interesting. It's probably all exactly the same inside, but let's have a look. Yeah, acid everywhere, closing it back up. That's basically what I thought I'd find. I thought I'd find them all just full of acid, you know, but it was worth looking at. Oh, that one's already got one in. Okay, that one's going for recycling too. Now, whenever getting rid of batteries, please make sure you try and recycle them as best you can, because this stuff you don't want to get into nature. You know, you don't want to. It's not just dangerous for animals and vegetation and everything. It's dangerous for people too. You know. Okay, this one, which looks ultrasonically sealed. Bit concerned about opening this, but we will still do it because it's fun. If I can, that is. Can't tell if that sounds like water or if it sounds like something. It's not water, I don't think. Like, not a fluid, not water, obviously. Okay, so this is the only side we can start it from. Another one, I'm not going to try, leave it. Okay, let's try this one. They got a little nubbin on them inside the screw. There's a little nubbin that stops certain screws, and sadly certain screw heads. I think this is going to be one. I'm tempted to try and drill it out. We'll leave that one and we'll come back to it. We'll decide when we get to it. I think this is standard cross thread posi drive. Right, back in a sec. NiCad again, and not as bad as the other one, but all rusted and horrible. So back together and off to be recycled. This is my type of cleaning. Well, I've never seen that screw before. It's like a straight edge, and then it's got the wiggly edges, so I think you could do that with a flat blade. And this one, yeah. So it's sort of like they've done the security screws but then gone, yeah, but what if other people want to open it? The fact that these screws are covered in the type of erosion you only get around acid, I assume this inside of this battery isn't looking too good, or it's come from other batteries that were with it. Right, yep, they are full of acid. Off it goes. That's easy enough. Now these have got a lot of what looks like copper sulfate of some kind. So yeah, all three of these are NiCad, and that one's definitely leaked. So's that one. So's that one. Okay, so it's only this one left. I've got a little idea, one sec. Right, I've got my needle nose pliers, and whether these will be big enough or not, I'm not sure. But what I'm thinking is, if I can just snap this piece out, it may or may not have worked. Okay, it worked. Right, let's see if this is the right size. And it is. Right, okay. So I need to snap all of these out now then. I need to lie down after that. Right, what do we reckon? Like I had in there now. Yep. Okay, so it wasn't the greatest sort of haul. I had hoped there'd be some more nice surprises in them. I had hoped that we'd find some stuff in there that I wasn't expecting. I had hoped there'd be more 18650 batteries. But the fact that there was 2 lots was better than nothing, because when I first got all of them, I chucked them all in a box thinking they were all NiCad, no problems, no point checking them. And yeah, so at least we got 10 new batteries. When I say new, I mean new to my stockpile. Wow, that one still turns on. Don't know how to turn it off. That one, however, does not. But I'm going to be doing a huge video on making battery banks and so on very soon. I have spoke about this in a previous video, but I want to make this massive battery bank that is chargeable by solar, possibly wind, but there'll be a lot of different ways of being able to charge it. And it'll be for multiple purposes. One will be to power a bike I'm hopefully working on, but also it'll be to power when we go camping, things like that. We can have all the lighting we need for the cameras, etc. And charging cameras, charging any tech that I need to be able to record my videos, you know. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Sorry it's a bit of a weird one. If you did enjoy it, possibly you did, possibly you didn't. If you didn't enjoy it, like and subscribe, because I promise that'll be the only one on drill batteries for a while. If you didn't like it, no, please comment either way. And like and subscribe if you did enjoy it. And I will see you again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.